doing trampoline tricks. So let's get to it. Woo! Okay, so we're going to show you how to do it. Sorry about that.
Technical difficulties. How about we put it on this thing?
There. Maybe. I only do. Oh, right here, right here, right here.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Is that good? Try
Perfect.
to zoom out.
It is zoomed. Oh.
All the way.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
You can't really see your head, but it's good enough if it stays. Yeah, go.
Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to do a barrel. So, what you want to do, it's basically like a cartwheel but with no hands. And it's in midair, so like that. And then to do a backflip. Bounce high. Focus. And then bam!
Okay, and then I'll just do a quick demonstration of my, what's it called?
Front flip.
Yeah. Like that, and then I'll do a barrel roll, which I'm not that good at.
And then I'll try to do a front flip, which I'm not that good at.
Okay.
Woo!
That's
pretty good.
mine.
Okay, and then this is my front flip. Woo!
Okay, yep.
So that's what we do. See ya.